going to be using Pre-Stretched Hair by Hollywood Braid. Each pack is about $5 and comes with 3 bundles. I love using this brand because the hair is soft, it doesn't tangle easily, and it lasts even with multiple wears, as you'll see in this video. I first removed the elastic that was around each bundle so that I can combine all 3 bundles and secure a hair tie on it. Taking this step slowly to show you how I secure that hair tie. First, I brush my hair to the spot that I want this ponytail to live and secure it with a hair tie. Then I grab an edge brush with some 10-hold Eco Styler and begin brushing that into the perimeter of my hair, working my way back. As you can see, I'm following each stroke with my fingers to ensure no clumps are left behind. Sometimes I even remove that hair tie again just to get a sleeker, cleaner look with a bristle brush. Now I'm trying the styling foam for the first time. I love using styling foam because it gives me that hold without the stiffness. Then I add in some swoops on my baby hairs like I like, and then toss on rapid styling strips to get my edges in formation, baby. Now to the pony prep. I used these tiny elastic bands to control my ponytail to better hide my hair. Then I grabbed that ponytail that I prepped, flipped my head over, making sure that the hair is at the top of my ponytail. I tied that hair tie to the base of my ponytail. And then I flipped it all back over. My head and the ponytail, flip both. Then I grabbed a small section from underneath that ponytail, tied it into one of the elastic bands that are around my ponytail, and flipped the hair back over. This helps to better hide my natural hair and the division of length. Once that's done, I grabbed a small section from the top of the ponytail, brushed it through, and began wrapping it around the top to cover those hair ties. This gives a cleaner look for such a quick style. Lastly, I used as many bobby pins as I needed to better hide my hair underneath and have this ponytail look as seamless and natural as possible.